Hello, my name is Emily Gomes, and I work at Cape Cod Hospital in the oncology department, outpatient oncology department. I have been a nurse since 2001, and the majority of my experience has been with oncology patients. I live on Cape Cod now, but I am originally from Hawaii. That's where I was born. Lived there for a few years, and then we traveled around the world with our family. My hobbies are I love to read and travel, baking, and scuba diving. All of those things I like doing with my family. Something that most people don't know. I am pretty much an introvert, but a lot of people do know that. I have tried hard to work against that. As a nurse, it's a little bit better to be outgoing, but I still need my own time to recharge. The concentration that I am currently in is family nurse practitioner. I chose that because I have a lot of friends who have become nurse practitioners, and they recommended it due to the broader field that you can go into. Also, I do want to stay in the oncology field, though, because of my history in oncology, and I just love it. I do want to be hired in the oncology field, preferably in the outpatient setting, after I complete my nurse practitioner education. And I'm really looking forward to this course and the beginning of our clinical hours. I look forward to working with all of you. Good luck.